Hi, I'm Mick and I'm the Events Manager for the Science and Engineering Challenge. We're here at the Build Me a Future Days 2022. This is an interactive schools program where students from Year 7 and 8 come along and compete in 8 different workshop style activities. The event is 100% supported, paid for by the ME program. They put this event on to allow students to participate free of charge. So a few of the different activities that they're doing here today, there's a bridge building activity where they're building bridges out of balsa wood where they have to span a gap, and we test them by running a trolley with different weights over the top. Got a water turbine activity where they're building turbines and they're measuring the RPM of the turbines. Designing the infrastructure, the electricity infrastructure of cities, sending messages via light with confounding communications, building Mars buggies. This is the 12th year of the program and it absolutely wouldn't be possible without the support of the ME program. Thanks very much to ME, and we look forward to continuing this for many years to come.